We guide you through how to delete or more accurately hide your Google Play Store purchase history because Google doesn't let you fully delete your billing records, but you can remove apps from your library so nobody can see what you downloaded before. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone and tapping your profile icon in the top right. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Budget and History to view every purchase you've ever made. This section can't be erased, but you can clean up your account by hiding old apps from your library. To do that, go back to the main Play Store screen, tap your profile icon again, then choose Manage Apps and Device, then tap Manage. At the top, switch the filter from Installed to Not Installed, which shows all the apps you downloaded in the past but don't have on your device anymore. Find any app you want to remove, tap the X or remove options beside it, and it will disappear from your Play Store library. This makes it look like you never downloaded the app, and it's the closest method to deleting Play Store purchase history. After cleaning up your library, your account looks much more private, and even though the internal billing log remains visible only to you.